Some people talk to their cars and even name them.
Morning, Bob. You ready?
Others may not name them, but you've probably heard people say things like,
She doesn't like the cold. He's happier on the long run.
it's a way of talking about the car that's a bit more personal, and that can be a good thing. When I'm working on Bob, I often talk to him, not as a joke or anything. It just happens, like, alright Bob, that'll do for today. Or I might make a general comment like, okay, you're being difficult, so what are you telling me? Now, I don't expect an answer, that'd just be awkward. But talking slows me down, it makes me pay attention, and it keeps me connected to what's changing. And when you notice change often enough, the car can start to feel personal. Some people call that the car's personality. Others just call it experience. Either way, what matters is this. Are you noticing the small shifts? Because these cars speak quietly. They might change tone, feel slightly different, warm up a little slower, or hesitate a touch longer. Nothing dramatic, just small hints. And people who feel connected to their cars tend to notice those hints earlier because they're present. Presence looks different for everyone. Some take notes, some follow routines, some just listen. For me, it's talking to Bob, sometimes writing things down, and sometimes it's just standing there for a moment, letting my senses catch up. It's all the same thing, learning to speak VW. You don't have to name your car. You don't have to talk to it. But if doing that helps you slow down, helps you listen, and helps you notice what's changed, then that's the relationship doing its job. Every VW speaks its own language. How you learn that language can vary. Whether you're listening, that's what matters.